Hey guys, Russ Lane here with Big Bite Baits. I want to tell you one of the little things that I do to help me keep a little more organized in the boat. You know, here at Big Bite Baits, we've got a big line of different plastics, and you know, they're all a tool, so you want to have them with you all the time because you never know exactly what you're going to expect on the water. What I do is I keep my core colors, maybe a dozen or so of each color in each bait, stored in waterproof boxes. Bass Mafia, Flambeau, Plano, I've got some of each. They're all great boxes. And that way, say during practice, you know, 12 might not be enough, but it's enough to get me dialed in on what color and what bait they actually want. When the tournament starts, when I know exactly what colors and what baits I want, I go get me a Ziploc bag or gallon bag and I fill it up with those baits, and I've got it right there ready waiting for me. So the ultimate goal is to use up that whole gallon of baits in that Ziploc bag, and if I do that, it's been a good tournament. But that's one way that I help stay a little more organized and have a core sample of everything that we've got here at Big Bite Baits in my boat.